Mainland, meron pa ba isang surprise pang 5?
Gusto mo ba ba? Sige, tuloy bang tayo kong regalo.
Hi, Sir Kevin! Happy birthday po! Keep being an inspiration and keep bringing happiness to other people. More blessings to you and to your family po kasi deserve niyo yan. So, I hope you enjoy your day. Ingat po palagi.
Hi, Sir Kevin! Happy birthday po. Hopefully, mamit ko po kayo ni Ate Elma soon. Enjoy your day. God bless! More power! Hi, Gavin! More power!
Ayan ako, shoutout sa dyan, Sir Kevin. Binabati kita ng happy birthday, bro. Congratulations sa lahat ng achievement mo sa buhay, brother. And proud na proud ako sa'yo. And maraming salamat sa suporta palagi. And sana mag-ibig ka sa birthday mo. Power sa'yo. Kaya man. Happy birthday, brother.